So good day everyone, I am Karita Pawan from Bachelor in Secondary Education major in English. So for today's video, I'll explain my activity 2. The assignment given to us is to make a poster making about unity, love, and perseverance, and also to make a slogan about Apostle St. Jude Tadeo's teaching. So sa poster making, I draw St. Jude Tadeus. So for our team, it should be symbolize unity, love, and perseverance. So for me, St. Jude Tadeus is the best representation for that team. So why St. Jude Tadeus? So for first, perseverance. So as we all know, St. Jude Tadeus is apostle. So when we say apostle, it is a Christian missionary. So, kapag Christian missionary, ito yung mga taong naglalakbay para ibahagi ang kagalakan, pagpapala at mga teaching ni Jesus Christ. So, quick background lang para kay St. Jude Tadeus. Si St. Jude Tadeus is pinsan ni Jesus Christ. So, siya yung isa sa mga apostle or sa 12 apostles, siya yung isa sa mga kilala natin since si St. Jude Tadeus mababasa natin sa Bible. So, for me, St. Jude Tadeus represent perseverance kasi hindi lang siya nag-stick sa isang place kung mababasa natin sa Bible. He traveled a lot like Mesopotamia, Babylonia, and many so on. So, for love, for me, one of the best description for St. Jude Tadeus is love. So, as we all read in the Bible, St. Jude Tadeus keep doing miracle even though Jesus Christ is dead. So, nagpatuloy si St. Jude Tadeus na magbahagi ng miracle kahit wala na si Jesus Christ. So, even dun sa kinamatay niya, before siya mamatay or before siyang patayin ng ibang tao, nagpakita siya ng pagmamahal hindi lamang kay God, kundi sa kanyang kapwa. Kung mababasa niyo siya sa Bible, si St. Jude Tadeus, before siyang putulan ng ulo, meron siyang niligtas na bata na dapat papatayin or pupugutan din ng ulo dahil naniniwala yung kingdom na yun na dapat isakripisyo yung bata. I think that kingdom is Adisa in Mesopotamia ata yun. So, for me, St. Jude Tadeus represents love. So, last is unity. So, as we all know, St. Jude Tadeus is one of the missionary, Christian missionary with God. So, marami siyang pinuntahang kingdom para tulungan at pag-isahin katulad ng Kingdom of Adisa. So, kung mababasa niyo sa Bible, sa Kingdom of Adisa, nagpakita si St. Jude Tadeus ng isang miracle. So, dun sa nabasa ko sa Bible, according to that, si St. Jude Tadeus, pinigilan niya yung isang criminal from Kingdom of Adisa na patayin yung isang tao. And then, para pahinto yung pagkamatay ng isang taong yun, nagpamana siya ng miracle dun sa isang taong dapat papatayin dun sa Kingdom of Adisa na isang criminal. Pinarusahan niya na maging isang deaf or hindi makapagsalita, and then after that naging isa yun sa followers niya. So unity din, as we all know, dagdag ko lang doon sa Mesopotamia naman, meron dun isang kingdom na kung saan gumagamit ng black magics, pumapatay ng kapwa, and then tinatapon sa bangin, tapos pinapakain doon sa mga wild animals. So according to the Bible, Saint Jude Tadeus helped that community by giving some miracles. So, tinulungan ni Saint Jude Tadeus na ayusin yung kingdom sa Mesopotamia na or isang tribe sa Mesopotamia na maging maayos, maging mapagmahal, maging maniwala sa Jesus Christ or kay Jesus Christ. And for me, Saint Jude Tadeus is the best representation on that theme. Kasi hindi, kung nabasa natin lahat sa Bible, kung ano yung history ni Saint Jude Tadeus, makikita natin doon na he has all that quality. And he is the best representation for that specific theme. So for my slogan, I wrote one of the scene of Saint Jude Tadeus Apostle with Jesus Christ. So in this line, Saint Jude Tadeus as Jesus' life that Master, what will happen that you will reveal yourself to us and not to the world? So Jesus Christ answered by you will be obey teaching and you will be powered by the Holy Spirit. So as I still continue reading Saint Jude Tadeus' life, that even Jesus Christ dies after the Last Supper, Saint Jude Tadeus keep doing missionary teaching, which is he still continued traveling with other kingdom and nagpamanas pa rin naman siya ng miracle by Holy Spirit, which is by Jesus Christ. And that's why I wrote it in my slogan.